everyone, I am Dr. Deepa, Associate Professor of Botany, the Standard Fireworks Rajaratnam College for Women, Sivagasi. Today we are going to see an interesting topic, lawn making. Everyone likes to play in the lawn. Do you know what is a lawn and how to prepare it? Let us see in detail. So, lawn is actually an area where the grass is grown as a carpet, like a carpet in the landscape. So, it actually gives a very good appearance to the garden. So, usually the lawn should be a wide open one and it should have a direct sunshine access, and if it is located in front of the rockery or water pool, it gives an excellent appearance. So, the naturally green carpet, so it gives a place for holding a parties and functions and recreation purpose. So, the lawn actually enhances the beauty of the garden and making the entire landscape looks good, and it sets as a suitable background for a specimen of trees, shrubs as well as the colorful beds and borders. You may have a doubt in your mind, what is a lawn and what is a turf? So, lawn and turf both are same, but based on the maintenance we will get either a lawn or a turf. So, the grasses, when it is grown in a dense condition, it form a thick mat. So, when we give a less care and very low maintenance, it forms a lawn. So, that time we call it as a lawn, especially in the home and most of the gardens we will have a lawn. And if you look into the turfs are the one where high maintenance is required. You might have seen in the sports ground. So, they need a special maintenance and leveling and pulling, everything is somewhat different in the turf. So, that is a major difference between lawn and turf. And what type of grasses we have to use for the lawn making? There are two different grasses. One is cool season grasses, another one is warm season grasses. So, the cool season grasses, they start its growth at 5 degrees Celsius, and their growth will be maximum and fastest when the temperature ranges from 10 to 25 degrees Celsius, and they retain their color and they grow very well extreme in cold condition, as well as they typically grow very dense. The example for cool season grasses are bluegrass, bent grass and ryegrass. So, the bluegrass is a Poa patensis and bent grass Aragnostis stolonifera and ryegrass Lolium species. And if you come into the warm season grasses, they start its growth when the temperature is above 10 degrees Celsius, and their fastest growth you can find when the temperature is 25 to 35 degrees Celsius, and they can able to withstand in a very high temperature. Even in the summer we can easily maintain these grasses. Example for these grasses are Korean grass, carpet grass, Bermuda grass, etc. So, the Korean grasses, Zoysia species are called as Korean grasses, and Axonopus is called as carpet grass, and third one, the Bermuda grass, in Tamil we call it as Arukumbul, that also even used for making grasses lawn. And lawn making is an interesting one. There are different ways of lawn making, but we are going to concentrate only 3 types. The first one is dibbling grass roots, and second one is sowing seeds, and third one is turfing. So, in the dibbling, they simply remove the previously established lawn, and the roots of those grasses are used for planting the new lawn. So, we have to place the roots in a distance and we have to maintain properly. It takes almost 6 months to establish a lawn through this method. And second one is sowing the seeds. So, we have to prepare the soil, and along with the soil we have to mix the seeds. Nearly it takes 30 kg seeds for 1 hectare lawn preparation. So, the seeds are mixed along with the soil, and it takes about 5 weeks to start the sprouting. And third one is turfing. In the previously established lawn, we make the patches of lawn that we have to remove, that we call it as a turf, and in the fresh area we have to place the patches of these turfs and we have to level it. So, that will form the entire new lawn. And if you come into the maintenance of lawn, so after getting the small sprouts, we have to go for maintaining. The proper irrigation of the lawn is very important, and there are different categories. We have to give irrigation and proper fertilization and everything, but the two practices are very important for lawn maintenance. One is called as mowing, another one is called rolling. So, these two you might have seen in the pictures and all. The mowing refers to the removal of top grasses. So, when we are using the mechanical machines or hand mowers, it never affects the grasses growth because they have the ability to regenerate very easily. And second one is rolling. So, rolling is done especially in the turf, so to make a very good carpet like structure. So, both mowing and rolling are very much important for the preparation of lawn. Thanks for watching. We can meet in the next class. For more modules, visit our www.sfrcmlearning.org. Thank you.